Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to learn Odia language by this application. This is now Odia. So simply, Odia language is mostly probably spoken in Odia state, that is where in India. So if you wanted to learn this language, you must be know what can say that and etc etc. So in this video I will show you the best application for you. Let's start this video. So guys, in this I open this application from what is named this Odia. So simply open this application, you can see the choose your native language for your better experience. So simply you can choose English or your mother language. So I am selected English for us, otherwise I can select Bengali for me. And you can see the categories, so you can see that color, what can say that you can see the downloads. The spoken download is ready, so allow this permission, and you can see the what can say that black, white and gray. You can select it by categories. So I can play this one by one, you can listen this, and after you can learn this. The what can say, the pronouncing is too different from this Hindis and Bengalis, so you must be know about it. Afterwards you can learn this. So I can 2 or 3 chicken call kukra monosa. I can't pronouncing the right, what is the right sense. Egg called anda, and it's that's, and duck called pati hansa. Yes, the tone is the voice tone is too different for me. So guys, by the way, if you are trying to wanted to learn this language, you can must be go this application. But this application is the downside, it is a paid application. You must be pay for this, otherwise you cannot be unlock this full categories. So simply you can see that those are the unlock that you can need to lock that is not lock it, so that is lock it. You need to the premium membership to unlock this all those language all these words. So what can see in otherwise I cannot speak anything about this, because the language pronouncing is too different if me said that. So simply therefore I can't say anymore. So therefore I not think this. And if you wanted to visit the Puri, you otherwise you can say in Hindi, Bengalis, English must be done. But if you are wanted to learn this application, you must be check out this. And otherwise you can take any Odia language, Odia, what can I say that, Odia language books for your native language, and you can learn this from easily. So I can say the some setting of this application. So guys, the setting is that you can see the triple bar on there. You can sign in by purchase this all these unlock premium features. You can see the general, you can see the catalog, games and popular party. I think the pronouncing is right, otherwise I do not think that for that. And you can go be pro. So my thinking sorry my suggestion is that after you can totally check this application. If you wanted to buy this, then you can buy, otherwise you do not buy this for, do not pay for this application. So that is my opinion. Thanks for watching everyone.